If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to a Solana video update. Today, Solana is kind of making a little bit of this pattern on the 15 minutes time frame, and I just want to figure out what is going on the 15 minutes time frame right over there. All right, so we do have some sort of a double top that happened here, and you're looking for a distribution phase basically for Solana. We're right at the resistance point right now, and on a cycle, on a market cycle, you do have this small start of accumulation, up reaccumulation, up right here, start of this distribution here, and you can expect it to come down, make a redistribution, go down, and continue even lower from here basically. My take still remains the same. We're still looking for the downtrend. On a weekly, I've actually made this huge model previously. I'm just gonna do that again, and I'm gonna tell you that the main plan for me personally for Solana is the following. Okay, this is a bearish 3-line strike on the weekly that I showed you yesterday, and we started off with this huge big accumulation right there. Went up, reaccumulation, went up, distribution, come down, redistribution like this, and you're coming down to start another accumulation, which is going to be a very good sign. I think crypto is in for another big push to the downside. Start of the January was pretty good, but I don't see the end of the January being any good at all. Okay, now I've actually never talked about the monthly, and we started a new month, by the way, and let's look at the monthly. So if this month you end up coming down to 4.66 this month, unfortunately you're going to be making 3 black rows, and that's not a good thing to do. But anyways, we're going to see about it. If you do come down here, this is a very big support on the monthly. You can just see right over there here. If I do drop that horizontal line like this is a very big support level. So one touch right there, one touch right here. It's not a confirmed trend line, but when you come down and touch this line again, this is going to be the third touch. And for the definition of a trend line, you must have 3 touches to confirm a trend line. So it's a trend line in the making, and when you do come down here and touch that line, it's going to be a valid trend line, number one. Number two, it's also going to be a support, massive support moving forward on a monthly time frame. So for me personally, buying opportunity, I'm just gonna grab Solana right here for the cheap, for the long run, and see if I'm gonna be lucky anytime soon. So that's pretty much it for this update on Solana right now. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.